Hello, and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today, we are making a Indian dish, and it's called chicken JALFREZI. For our ingredients, we have chicken breast, cumin, coriander, turmeric, and garam masala. That is just for the chicken. You want to mix your chicken up in that. For your sauce, you want sunflower oil, butter, onion, red chili, a green chili, garlic cloves, minced ginger, garam masala, turmeric, salt, cumin, ground coriander. You want a can of chopped tomatoes, chicken stock, a red bell pepper, and a green bell pepper. First, you want to coat your chicken with the cumin, the coriander, the turmeric, and leave to marinate for 10 minutes, covered in the refrigerator. Once your chicken has marinated, we're going to add our oil and our butter to a large frying pan. Once your butter has melted, you want to add your chicken. And here we're adding our chicken. We're going to cook our chicken on high for about 4 to 5 minutes. Next, you want to add your onions, and then you want to turn your heat down to low medium, and you want to cook that for about 5 minutes. You want to stir often until your onions are softened. Next, we're going to add our seasonings, which is our garam masala, our turmeric, your salt, your cumin, your coriander, and we're going to coat our chicken with that. Once you have added your seasonings, you want to cook those for about 2 minutes. Next, we're going to add in our tomatoes. You want to add your chicken broth. We're going to add our tomato paste. And you want to make sure that your tomato paste is mixed in well. Once that is fully incorporated, we're going to move on to adding our green peppers and our red peppers. And we're going to mix that in well. Once you add in your green peppers and your red peppers and your chilies, you want to cook that for another 2 minutes. You want to bring it to a boil, and then you want to let it simmer for about 10 minutes until your sauce has thickened. You can stir in some fresh coriander and serve it with rice. We have made an Indian dish which is called chicken JALFREZI. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.